Welcome to this video on the Total Production System or TPS. This system is a cornerstone of modern manufacturing and management, and we will explore its core principles and benefits throughout this video. In this class, we'll explain what TPS is and why it was developed. We will also examine the two main pillars of the system, the concept of the TPS house, and the importance of focusing on customer value. At its core, TPS is a management system dedicated to eliminating waste, improving quality, and reducing cost. By doing so, it delivers greater value to the customer through continuous improvement and a deep respect for people. Toyota developed TPS as a response to the specific challenges they faced after World War II, including limited resources, a small market, material shortages, and the need to compete effectively with much larger firms. The main goal of TPS is to deliver maximum value to the customer. This is accomplished by focusing on better quality, lower cost, shorter lead times, workplace safety, and high levels of employee engagement. The TPS house is a visual model illustrating the system structure. It is built on foundation of stability and respect for people, supported by the two pillars of just-in-time and Jijoka, all striving for customer satisfaction. The first pillar, just-in-time, focuses on producing the right product at the right time and in the right quantity. This approach significantly lowers inventory, reduces waste, and enables faster delivery to customers. The second pillar, Jidoka, represents automation with a human touch. It ensures that the process stops immediately when a defect occurs, allowing teams to fix root causes and build quality directly into the process. The foundation of the TPS house is built on standardized work, the practice of Kaizen or continuous improvement, and the maintenance of stable processes that are consistent, predictable, and reliable. Here we see the 8 waste again: overproduction, waiting, transportation, overprocessing, inventory, motion, defects, and unused talent. Eliminating this is essential for any lean production system. To see the impact of TPS, consider a coffee shop. Before applying TPS, the shop might have long wait times and errors. After implementation, the process becomes smoother, leading to faster service and higher customer satisfaction.